Physical and emotional violence against Uyghur children is widespread in China's Uyghur children concentration camps and in residential schools. Chinese teachers are the main perpetrators against Uyghur children. Children often got beaten, starved, tortured with sleep deprivation, ridiculed, manipulated, and even raped. Last year, New York Times reported that more than 500,000 Uyghur children were incarcerated in Chinese concentration camps. Children were sent to boarding schools, only allowed once every 2 weeks to visit their parents. Number of new boarding school students increased by 380,000 between 2017 and 2019. There are videos secretly taken by the students in boarding schools show violent abuse against the Uyghur children. Ruqya Turdush from Uyghur Research Institute said, physical and emotional abuse in children have significant negative impacts on development of children. Allowing other children to witness the physical or emotional abuse of another is also counted as emotional abuse. A group of hackers called Root Ayildiz has attacked Chinese vaccine company Sinovac's website. The East Turkestan flag has been placed on the website. The attack happened right after the Chinese government announced ratification of extradition treaty with Turkey. Turkish parliament has not ratified the bilateral agreement signed in 2017. However, it has raised serious concern among Uyghur and the Turkish population in Turkey. Turkey has long history of welcoming Uyghur Turks fleeing colonial oppression. But now Uyghurs fear the treaty will endanger their safety if it will be ratified by the Turkish parliament soon. China gained major diplomatic gain with finalizing an investment agreement with European Union last Wednesday. It was an opportunistic strategy of China. While European economy is struggling with Wuhan virus crisis and the United States in its state of flux as it awaits the inauguration of President-elect Joe Biden. It disappointed Uyghurs and other Turkic Muslims that are suffering from China's ongoing genocide. Despite the criticism of Beijing's worst human rights record, European Union chose to deal with China. But experts say it's a bad deal for European Union investors because China never followed the rules. Ursula von der Leyen, president of the European Commission, tweeted Wednesday that the agreement will uphold our interests and promote our core values. Similarly, the European Union has maintained the agreement provides a leverage to press China on forced labor. However, her tweet cannot promise anything as China has been using forced labor against Uyghurs for decades and they refuse to ratify International Labor Organization conventions against the forced labor.